So it's 8:48 at night. The next day. I've literally made no progress with the car at all because we've been trying, oh my God, woman. Okay, because we've been dealing with trying to organize all of this, and getting these wires and just getting everything lined up the way it should be, and no help to some people. That's for sound deadening.
Hello?
Okay. And I also upgraded my room. I haven't made the entertainment center here yet, but at least got a nice big ass TV. We went to Lowe's, spent the entire day there. I slept until like 1 o'clock, and that just made everything stand still. Being it's 8 o'clock at night, even later than that, I'm just gonna try and start putting everything together. Now, I already put in the trunk setup, so that's already inside the car. Still needs a lot more love and a lot more stuff to be done, but on the bright side is I can at least go out there when it's not sunny out, freezing cold, and I can wash the car, get it inside, take off the wheels, take off the suspension, take off the brakes. I'll explain that a little bit later, and then also remove the rear lower control arms. That will basically put the car up on jack stands and out of commission completely. You want attention?
I broke the TV.
You mean you broke the TV? No, when she did something wrong, she gets this way. She gets all lovey and hugs me and holds me close. What did you do?
It's a solid strategy.
This might not be very exciting, second half of this video, but I gotta get it done in order for us to make some progress and actually get this air suspension installed. So,
Air suspension. Backlight.
wish me luck. This vlog is just not working out, but it is 4:30 in the morning. I washed the car, decided to call it a night instead of getting my hands dirty and trying to take everything apart and taking everything off and look for every tool I need. So I just park it in there, leave it, and then we could tackle the mess that you saw earlier that was inside this room. So luckily, we actually did pretty much everything. So it's all the wiring and stuff like that. We were able to put that, go out to Lowe's, grab some stuff, and make it nice all clean so everything runs where it is. Dylan was able to set up his stupid setup. I don't know why anyone needs 4 screens for anything ever, but he does. Tomorrow's gonna be a busy day, but tomorrow should be fun.
The next day.
Oh, she didn't even have her seatbelt on.
Neither do you.
Neither do I.
Thanks for letting me sit in the front seat. It's so soft. Oh shit! Dylan! Dylan! I can't watch! Dylan! 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 Oh my god! Why? And those sharp corners. I feel sick. I've never drank with you.
Had a bunch of
For
water
all the
here,
people that you
but
scare.
the people that are scared drink a lot of water.
Yeah. Oh! Oh! You guys have to keep in mind, I drive a very slow car.
I just hit 60 in like a second.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, just lay down.
2 hours later.
Alright, wheels are off and everything's kind of open here. So I basically want to show you guys before I get in more depth. I wanted to show you guys the trunk. So it's not perfect, it's not done by any means, but I'm super happy with it. It's a little bit bad lighting right now, but I decided to go with a sky gray oak, and I think that's gonna really complement some of the white interior. So as soon as we're done, we're gonna have everything on this side, and over here it's gonna be white. And this, as you can see, it looks a little tan, but it's not. It's completely sky gray oak. So that's kind of the basic of how it turned out after I cut it up and how it fits. It turned out decent for one try. Made a couple mistakes here and there, but I'm not really too worried about it. But undo those bolts, and then remove the lower control arm. We should be able to pop out those struts and get the rear ones in. And then we'll do an unboxing of the Airlift suspension in a second. But like I said, I want to get everything removed. I'm also going to be removing the brakes. I'm going to do something with the brakes. They're stock. I'm not getting Brembos, but if I'm not getting Brembos, then I want to make them look decent, because right now that's just kind of like meh. Let's do this. Let's get to work. Alright, so Klaus is showing up, and we got into talking, said hi and everything like that. He brought me my trophy, which I'll show you guys later, which is awesome, from Import Face Off. But guess who's showing off the Tesla again? And he's already mind blown. Now his car is this beast of WRX that probably honestly should have won an award over me any day. I mean, the thing just looks so gnarly. But he's getting blown away right now by this stock ass Tesla 3, and he just can't get enough of it.
Prepare to shit your pants.
I know, I'm so excited. I'm afraid.
You should be.
I'm afraid.
Be afraid.
Electric cars still weird me out. I still remember the first time I ever like rode in a Prius and it started moving without any noise. And it was just fucking weird.
Ready?
Yeah. Holy God. That's nutty. Whoa. That is... That's pretty... Hey, that's pretty good. I'm really glad that the headrests are soft. Yeah. Because like I hit my head into it a couple times.
Oh my God!
That's pretty good. That corners really well. Like surprisingly well for like the lack of aerodynamics.
What is this?
She missed your hand. Dude, this thing's badass. This is so cool.
Jesus!
Oh, that's so good. That feels, and it's so smooth.
Yeah, no
it
gears,
is so smooth. Yeah. Dude, this is cool.
The back seat is...
The back seat's
so
way more
worse.
intense.
Is it?
So
It's
much
way more
worse.
intense. Is it? Chad, trade me.
I'm so like car sick right now. It's ridiculous.
Oh, really?
Probably because I'm looking into the screen. Making sure
Oh, that's, yeah, no, that'll definitely do it. That's pretty cool. Hey, you volunteered to get in. Oh my word.
N52 live.
Is 28 the single turbo?
Oh!
Or is the 30 the single turbo?
I don't know at this point.
Just back up really slow.
Tesla 3, everyone. Tesla 3. Let's get back to the Subaru though. All right, a little bit of an update. At least we got the we got one end link out. So this is starting to look pretty bare. So I haven't been filming very much. I'm just trying to jump on this and get it done. So as you can see, the end link is all good there. There's nothing there holding it all together. Not an end link, sorry. Lower control arm. Holy shit. We've been saying end link so much. I got it all messed up. So we got that one out. And then we'll put the new ones in, which is gonna be super exciting. This car is looking good. keep you guys updated as much as we can. Let's do a montage of simple time lapse. That sound good? Sounds good to me. Some add-on jank that I decided to do is buy some matching paint for the car, and we're going to, well, what we did is basically paint the calipers the same color as the car. So there you go. Spray painted unprofessionally, running everywhere. Yeah. Oh shit, I even sprayed the floor. The struts are out, the lower control arms are out, the calipers are painted. What's next is installing those rear control arms and then putting in what we are unboxing now, airless suspension. So that big box should be the management system. There's our taped up, our compressor.
So we got some lines, some fittings, some brackets, bolts and washers. Yeah, airlines, power.
Ooh, look how fancy.
That's a nice box.
It's so fancy. Or I'm guessing maybe the module, the actual management module that connects everything together.
Stickers for the instruction booklet.
Yeah, so that this piece is basically going to be controlling all the airlines and where they're all going to go, how it's going to be fueling up the air tank, which the air tank's actually outside the Xterra. So we're at least gonna get the struts in, and then I wanna see how hard it's gonna be to run the lines. If it's not gonna be too hard, I wanna knock it out. I'm not gonna make it look pretty. I just wanna be able to see if this car can go up and down on its own, and then I can make it pretty.
All the lines.
Yeah, those are my 1/4 inch lines. This is all I care about. This is what I do understand. Look at that. Oh, look at it. Just look at it.
Would you look at this? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
There you go. That's nice. It's the rears.
Oh my God, yes.
These are really nice.
Should we leave the fronts? Let's leave the fronts in there, and then let's
We'll install the backs and then come back to the fronts.
yeah, let's do that, and then we can kind of see how the lines and everything are gonna do. But it looks like there's the braided lines right there on the side. Other side, those are gonna be the fittings, but yeah. And then I also got tape to seal it, so plumber's tape. So I'm gonna use that. Plus I got plumber's tape piping. I think that's to adjust the top here.
That's the dampening.
Yeah, the dampening adjustments. So. Okay, never mind. It's not that simple. And my lower control arms are missing some stuff. So we're gonna take this up on another day, because no, it's just not gonna happen. I'm gonna have to talk to somebody who's installed these before, because it's too many fittings, too many hoses, too many wires, too many things that are happening that I cannot comprehend. So this thing's gonna be put on hold, and today will be probably a very, very short video, but I do appreciate it, guys. So in that case, thank you for watching. If you can, subscribe. I know this is kind of a disappointing video to actually subscribe on, but we're gonna pick it up. We're gonna get this done. We're gonna figure it out, and then I'll kind of give more intuitiveness if I can. Those installation instructions that it does come with is not how to install them. It's how to put together the equipment that you have. But that was just the rear struts. So we're kind of forced to be put on a break, can't really figure it out, and I gotta be up early in the morning, and I'll see you guys later, because I am tired, and we're gonna figure this out at another time. I have to go take care of 2 drunk